Welcome to this beautiful 59-foot Marquis yacht from Bayport Yachts. We have a large swim platform with access to the engine room. Up the stairs goes into the salon area. We have a nice open cockpit, curved glass, sliding glass door. The salon here has wraparound seating, cherry wood paneling throughout, and a drop-down television. Up in the galley, it's fully equipped. Wine cooler, fridge, microwave, dual sinks, stovetop, and also there is a wet bar with an additional sink. The helm is fully equipped with all the electronics that you need. And to the side there is wraparound seating as well, with a fold-out table that has cup holders in it, and it can be folded back down for access for eating. As we make our way downstairs, it's beautiful curved paneling in the wood. Attention to detail. The Marquis logo on the floor. And then also all the different features they have. Aft is the master stateroom that is full beam. You have windows in the master here that open on both sides to let air come through. A nice open ventilation, good cross breeze. The master head has granite floors, granite countertops, full-size tub and shower. Curved paneling in the master, where you have lots of storage on both sides for all your clothes. Coming up forward, you have your VIP stateroom up forward. Again, lots of beautiful cherry wood all around. DVD player up top. To the starboard side, you have twin bunks. And on the port side, you have the second head. Again, outfitted with cherry wood and granite floors and countertops. This 59-foot Marquis yacht is a perfect yacht for anybody who wants to cruise with their friends and family and just have a good time.